Assalamu dear students, welcome to Civil Engineering Trainer. My name is Faisal Ibir. Today we are starting another lecture of AutoCAD Civil 3D. So our lecture is about draw road alignment in from different method. So this is very important lecture of AutoCAD Civil 3D. So first of all we discuss the basic definition of alignment by using NIST project drawings, and next is draw alignment from object, and next is draw alignment from creation tool. We discuss all these topics in this lecture. So first of all, keep in mind that without understanding alignment you can't do anything, especially in Civil 3D. This is very important topic because all type of road is based on alignment. So first of all, I discuss some things which is related to alignment with different method. So first of all, you can also see the one road alignment. Here you can also see one road. The center line of this road is called alignment, okay? Center line. And you can also see some specific value mentioned on its center line. So these value basically is station or chainage, okay? Both word is called station or chainage. So what is the main purpose of this word? So basically when we give data on site during its construction, we give data by the range of station, okay? Suppose we have data about this point like 500 or 510, then we give data on site that this is level of 500 station, this is level of 510, this is level of 520, because we give data on alignment. Second purpose of this portion of this value is that we can also guess the length of this road with the help of this one, okay? Next you can also see here. Now basically two types of alignment, one is horizontal alignment and second is vertical alignment. This is, if you see this road from the top view, it is looking like that. This is horizontal alignment. This point will be here, this point will be here, and this point will be here. So this road's top elevation is looking like that. If you see this road from the left side, right side, so you can also see here, this point here, this point here, and this point here. This is vertical alignment, okay? Here's curve portion coming here. This is horizontal alignment and this is vertical alignment. You can also see here, this is horizontal alignment. Basically, the design of any road is depend on horizontal alignment. You can also see here, inshallah, in this lecture we will discuss all these things, and we also make this type of alignment in this lecture. This is some specific term alignment. So if you want to change the design of any roads with the help of center line, you can also change it. So all type of design is depend on its center line. This is horizontal alignment. Now this is vertical alignment. You can also see here tangent from here to here, 1.2. This is slope specific. This is portion called tangent. This portion 2 to 3, from 2 to 3, this is curve portion. This is curve portion. This is called a vertical curve, okay? Next same 3 to 4, this is tangent also, this is slope, okay? So this is example of vertical curve. We also give another example of vertical curve. See here, this is profile. Profile means longitudinal section of road. If you cut road from center line, you can also see that it's looking like that. So here some specific curve also mentioned. This is called vertical curve. Here this is crust. The portion is upper side is curve, is crust, and this portion is called sag. Now the question is that what is the main purpose of this one? The purpose of this one is two purposes basically. One is to keep our cost budget less, okay? Because sometimes we keep average area cutting filling. So one purpose is that we give curve on that portion to keep our budget close, okay? Next purpose is that when we are working in some hilly area, some mountain area, you can also see if we make a road from here to here. Basically this blue line basically is the top level of asphalt, okay? If you want to make a road from here to here, we give some specific curves. Why? The question is that basically if we create from here to here in straight, the problem is that in hilly areas some heavy traffic also running, okay? So if we give straight tangent, no any curves, the problem is that maybe this heavy traffic will be slide. Okay, so prevent traffic from slide, we give specific curve on specific station. Okay, after some specific distance, this curve here, and after that we will give also this curve. Then the traffic will be go like that, then like that. Okay, so if we give all this one, then the problem is that traffic will be slide. So this is the basic two purpose of making curves in this portion. So inshallah we will next also discuss about alignment with the help of some specific tools. Okay, and I hope this lesson will be very helpful for you. So if you are new, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. So let's start. So you can see one master plan of one project. So first of all, I want to hide some its detail, like we don't need this one. You can also see a contour lines. When any project start, this type of contour line is coming with all these drawing. Okay, so first of all, we are also want to off this one. So you can see here all type of roads have some specific alignment. You can see here this blue line, this is basically called alignment. First work on site is alignment. You cannot make other drawings without alignment. When we make alignment, after that we keep all these things in mind. After that we make other drawings, like you can see here, when we start any project, then you can see here this is our alignment, all these alignment roads. Okay, then we keep all these things in mind, and after that we make its offset and other design, and also utility areas, and after that right of way total. Okay, so this is the main purpose of alignment. I already tell you in with different examples. Here you can also see here another project of road alignment. So you can see here this is basically university interchange where I was working last time, and you can see there are different type of roads, like main road, then cross road, after that it's ramps, and after that it's loops. Okay, so all type of roads have some specific alignment. You can see here there is no any type of roads constructed without alignment. This is loops. Okay, because basically these roads come from here and go to the other side by crossing its bridge. Okay, we can see here this is called a ramp. Okay, it's called ramp. So everywhere you can see one alignment, and after that other its components ready. Okay, so sometimes alignment comes in the center, and sometimes alignments come in the corner side. Okay, you can see here one side, and this is the width. Okay, because this is one super elevation side slope. Okay, so you can now understand the importance of alignment in any roads in any project. Okay, so now we'll start proper alignment. How can we make alignment with different method? So let's start. So here we properly start alignment. So you can see here one tool here, grading on this side. Okay, alignment. If we click on alignment, you can see here alignment creation tools. After that, create best fit alignment, create alignment from object, create alignment from corridor, create alignment from network parts, and different. You can see here create offset alignment. So here we use only those methods which is very famous for making any project alignment. Okay, so first of all I want to make alignment with the alignment creation tools. After that we apply create alignment from object. This is also other method, but this is very rarely used. Okay, that's why we use this one. So first of all click here, and you can see here this is here name. We here write name of road, like road 1. Okay, after that you can see here type. There are different type of like a center line, offsets, curb return, rail, and miscellaneous. Okay, center line means normal lines. Any offset if you want to create offsets of center line, you can use this one. Curb stone, curb return, normally with the intersection you can also make this one. Rail, if you want to design any railway line. Okay, so you can also use this one. Miscellaneous you can also use other one, like if you want to make any canals or open channel. Okay, so you can use this one. So next you can see here general site, none, no problem, keep here. And alignment style. Okay, propose. Okay, we propose here. After alignment label set, okay, the different type of label like major and minor only, major, minor, and geometric points, major, minor, horizontal and vertical geometry, and super elevation points. Here major, minor, horizontal, vertical geometry points. So here we select all label. First of all, we need to know what is the difference between them, which type of label is mentioned here. So after that we also use some other one. So select here, and after that we select this one, and you can see a one alignment layout tools area open here. You can see this small window. So first of all we will click here, and you can see tangent no curve. Okay, next is tangent with curve, and curve and spiral setting. If you want to setting its curves and spiral, you can also use this one. So first of all we use straight without curve. Okay, so we use this one tangent. We are making alignment with tangent no curve. Okay, select here. After that we select here and give some specific length like 1000. After that escape. So you can see here one alignment is just ready. You can see here, and some specific data also mentioned here, and you can see here design speeds and its station, and you can also see this is small ticks. Okay, so this is the normal alignment straight without curve. Okay, so if we select here, you can also change its label. For changing label, set here and right click, edit alignment label. So we can see here different type of label: major, minor, geometric, station equation. Station equation basically that point which is some specific point. Inshallah we discuss special lecture on this one. And design speed, you can see here, if we close this one from here, so you cannot see speed on them. After the profile, geometrical point, some specific point. Inshallah when we make one alignment with curve, you can also see geometric point in super elevation. Super elevation critical, this actually advanced setting. Inshallah when we properly draw super elevation, then we add super elevation data. Okay, so first of all we just select here parcel, and it's major station. We select here 100, and here tick on 25. Okay, apply. We also want to change its style like parcel perpendicular with tick. Okay, apply, then okay. So you can see our first alignment and its some setting. This is the base of any alignment. Okay, if you want to change its color, so you select here and right click, edit alignment style. Okay, so you can also change from here, right, like red. Okay, apply, then okay. You can see here this is the alignment color change. Okay, so you can also change its text, but we first of all apply some other method. So here now we select the second method, tangent with curves. Now we create one road alignment with the curve. Okay, select here, after that select here. So you can see here basically this is same method. So we escape this one. So we make a new alignment. So for that we again go here and create new alignment creation tools. After that select other roads, road number 2, because we cannot make at a time one alignment name with 2 roads. Okay, so for that we apply here tangent with curve. Okay, so we click here, after that click and here. Okay, so you can see this is the second alignment of roads. So we also, you can see here some additional data, PC, midpoint and endpoint. It's, you can see here PCPT. Okay, this is the main purpose of adding some each other detail. And you can also see here design speeds, beginning point, and you can also see here endpoint, EP endpoint. Okay, this is some different abbreviation. And here we don't apply some super elevation, so you just see here, apply here, click and edit label. So now we test new label. After that we apply here tangent perpendicular with tick. Okay, so if you want to some delete this one, like here you can also remove some extra thing. We want just to make a major station and minor station. apply, then okay. So you can also see here, this is simple alignment, and we remove extra things. And if you want to change the alignment color, same method. And if you also want to change this color, we want that our normal alignment, like straight and tangent, will be blue and this area will be green, so that you can easily signification that this is our curve area. So edit alignment style, and line you can select here blue. After that curve portion we want this will be red, okay. After that line extension, this line, this basically, if you want to change this color you can also see here, and we give some data here. By layers we selected dash 2, okay. Okay, apply. So you can see here the changing, okay. So you can see here our alignment color also changed here, and you can also see here. So now I also want to apply some other tools on this alignment, because this is the window, and you can see setting of this road. So for that we just click here, and you can also see here insert PI. If you want to insert any PI here, so you just click here, and after that click this portion, then escape. So you can also see one new PI insert in this drawing, okay, one new PI. We also want to insert in this portion. For that we just click here, and just insert another PI like here, okay, like here, escape. So our next point is you can also see here delete PI. Click here, and any PI you can see here. You just want to delete this one, so just click here and escape. So you can see this PI is removed. So now I also want to changing in this PI. So our next you can see here this portion, we just click here, we want to make some here curve, okay, because we don't need this type of, we need some curve. So for that we apply here free curve fillet, okay. Select here. After that he says select first entity. Basically all type of alignment and its part is called entity in alignment engine language, okay. This straight line is also entity, this round portion is also entity, and this extension line is also entity. All type of parts of alignment is called entity, okay. So here we say first entity, select here. After the second entity, select here. Then he say is curve solution angle greater than 180, less than 180, we select here. And we also click specify radius, we select here, okay. You can see this one, we select here, and you can see this is our new radius with curve. So you can also add some other data from here. So this is the basic alignment tools that is important. So I don't want to waste your time without just use useless areas, okay. So because I want to tell you basic things, after that we start especially on town planning. So this is our first method of making alignment with the help of alignment creation tools. Now our second method is create alignment from object, okay. So for that we select here one area like this line. After that we also make this one from here, this one, and also select from here like this one, okay. So this is second method of making alignment, and this is a very fast method and mostly used in town planning, okay. So you can see here alignment, then create alignment from object. Here there is 3 roads, 1 2 3. So for that we don't make this type of here, we just draw this line and Civil 3D automatically make its curve, okay. So first you must keep in mind that this line will be in a polyline, okay. So alignment, and next create alignment from object, okay. Then he says select the first line. So first of all I want to make alignment for this one. Select here, enter. You can see here cursor coming here, one arrow. It's mean he say, do you want to make in this side? We say yes, enter. So this alignment name. So here we select road 11 different name. Okay, don't use same name with different alignment. And select center line. Okay, none. After that, if you want to change speeds, and if you want to start from other distance, from other different station, you can also write this one. So we here start this one. Okay, then you can see here, if you want to select label only major and minor, we select here. In radius we keep here 150 and okay. So this alignment is ready, you can see here. And we also need to change its label from here. Same method, we keep here 100 and 110. Okay, and perpendicular you can also change its style. Okay, apply, then okay. So you can see our alignment, one road alignment is ready with the help of object. Okay, our second alignment, create alignment from object. So you can see this is straight. Now we want to make curve. Okay, so for that we select here this one, enter, then again enter. This road number 12. Next is none. Okay, proposed major and minor, we want to add geometrical point. After that 200. Okay, then okay. So you can see here our alignment is ready with curve. Okay, with 200 radius curve. See this automatically. This is the basic purpose and basic advantage of using Civil 3D, because Civil 3D gives us many facility to make alignment and some its components easily. So I also want to change its label so that our alignment looking better. 100, and you can also write here 20. You can also write from select here. Okay, this depend on your choice which type of alignment you want to use. So if you want to remove this one, this you don't want to use this one, so that's why you select here and alignment property, then next edit alignment style. Okay, so you can see here line extension, just half this one, apply, then okay. So you can see here our extension line is removed. Purpose of this point is to control alignment. This is, you can say, control point of our alignment. If you want to make its radius less or increase, you can see this one. This is our control point. So our third alignment is about straight road same. So create alignment from object, you just select here. So now I want to make its station different, 13. So design criteria, you can see here this is 0, 0, 0. So I am supposing that once other alignment is coming here, after that I start this one next. Okay, so for that I select here 500, so that our alignment will start after 500. Okay, okay. So you can see here this is our 500 to next. Okay, because if you want to make, because you know some project start on site, then because of some problem sometimes stay, after that some other new project start, then this alignment and this road continue and extend. So for that they don't make new alignment, they just extend this one. Okay, they just extend this one with alignment. So for that we also select this one object, and we select here 50, and this perpendicular you can also change its text. So you can see here 500 and this one, this other style of alignment. So if you want to increase its size from here, you can also increase from here. See this one. This is the second method of making alignment with the help of object. So here we make small town with the help of poly, and after that we apply alignment method. Okay, so for that we select some specific area, rectangle. After that make here rectangle, REC enter, D enter. I want to make 1500, 1.5 kilometer long and 1 kilometer wide. Okay, you can see here, and I just want to make alignment like that. I am just making it randomly. If you want to make some specific, so you can also use proper matching method. Okay. After select here and explode this one, just make like you can see here this one and P enter this one, yes, joint this one and this one. So this convert in polyline. After that we make here another roads and we will create here another road. So this is the, you can use some other method, so I prefer here this type of method. Here I also want to make another one, so you can see here circle like 100 or a little less like 0.75. okay, so you can see here this one. After that apply here one from here to, you make this one manually. Okay, this is depend on you. I am making here fastly for that. So this is the easy way to make any alignment because this is the fast method. And next is polyline from here circle and see here after this one and use this one. Okay, so later on you set its alignment from here one by one, and first of all you need to make this one in polyline and use some other lines. Okay, you also delete some extra lines. After that you just mark this one like so then this alignment is just ready. We also make here one polyline, so for that we can easily detect this is connected with this one and this one. Okay, so J enter, join this one with this one, you can see this one. So you click here. So now we will start method of making alignment. So we will do this one. So this is the our alignment. First of all we make this one row number 1, then row number 2, after row number 3, row number 4, row number 5. Okay, you can read this one. So first of all alignment and create alignment from object. Okay, this one first row, enter. Okay, then we select here row number 50 or 21. Okay, different name 21. After the center line none. Okay, major minor contour, then 200 radius. Okay, this is straight, no problem radius. After that we just first of all make its alignment, after that we adjust its label. Okay, next is we select here enter. You can also select here number 2. After that okay, you can also see this automatically created. Next we just space enter, just click this one. After that again enter. Okay, create number different. Okay, 200. Okay, you can also see third alignment. Next is click here, enter. Okay, number 24, but here you can also decrease its like 120 its radius here. Okay, so you can see this is okay, correct. So here you just need to click this one, enter, and 25 number row and radius no need here. After that okay, you can see here, this basically is some warning symbol. Okay, some warning symbol. First of all, we need to adjust its label. For that, we click here and right click. After that, edit alignment label. Okay, we select here 50. Then we also need to geometric point off. If you want to add, you can also, no problem. Okay, apply, then okay. So after that, I also want to tell you how can we change the text size and the text style. You can also use another method, st simple st enter. Then you can also select here Arial, set current, okay. After that, close. So you can see here their text a little bit better. We also need to decrease its size. See this one, this is our first alignment. Second is, you can see this is blue line and this curve portion is called, you can see, red line. We also adjust its label like right click. After that, give 50 and you can see here perpendicular with tick. Okay, you can also add this one geometry because there is curve. So any portion where is curve, here you can see we also need this point. Straight road don't need any type of curve data enter, and that portion where is curve mentioned, so you must add data for curve, that starting of curve, end of curve. Okay, after that we also select this one and select this one and right click, edit alignment label. After that 50. After that you can also select here perpendicular with tick. Okay, you can also delete this one, apply, then okay. You can also see this one. After that we set the label for this one and right click, edit label style 50, then perpendicular with tick. Okay, okay, apply, then okay. So you can also see our alignment is ready. We just set this one, right click and edit alignment label, same method 50 and perpendicular with tick. Okay, apply, then okay. So if you have this type of problem, okay, first of all you must, because I make randomly in speed. Okay, so if you want this one or off this one, so it's simple. You can just click here, right click, edit alignment style. Okay, after that you can also see a warning symbol. Okay, you can see, just off click here and apply, then okay. So you can see our warning symbol is off, our alignment is ready. So if you want to add its extension line, so just click here and right click, edit alignment style. Okay, after that line extension on, apply, then okay. So you can see our all alignment extension line is ready. Now our next point is how can we change the color of this one. Okay, the color of the label. For that you just click here, right click, edit alignment label. After that perpendicular with tick, you just click here. You can see this inner setting is opening. So for that you just click here and it's inner data layout. Okay, station. You just click here and open this one. You just change its color like green color. Okay, you can easily add green color. Okay, you can see our all label is changed in green color. Okay, so if you want to change tick's color, so you can also use this one, but we don't need change tick. Tick is okay, apply, then okay. So you can see our all alignment and label color is changed. Okay, so this is the method to make alignment tone. So I hope you understand the method of making, because use object for making alignment is easy method and fast method. Okay, you can also apply other one of making alignment with the help of object. Okay, you can see alignment creation tools. So this is the simple lecture of making alignment. This is very important. This is basically horizontal alignment. This is the end of our drawing. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture series. If you have any questions, so please comment in the comments box. Inshallah, I try my best to give you some suitable answer. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.